Amazing ways to say goodbye in Igbo.
Welcome back to my channel, my lovely people. I remain your lady Estina. Guys, in today's class, we are going to touch an amazing ways to say bye in Igbo language. Okay, let's go straight into it. Okay, let's begin. I will be looking down because I have some, I just some down so that I will not forget. So many ways that you can say bye in Igbo language. The first one I have here is ka odi. Ka. Maybe when you have finished staying with someone, your friends, your family, and you want to part ways, you can simply say ka odi. Ka odi. That means the person will already know that you are going. Ka odi. Okay. Just now to say bye. Bye. Ka odi. Ka omesia. Ka omesia. You can also say ka omesia, can also be bye, goodbye, or later. Ka omesia, later. Okay. Labo. Labo can be another way to say arrive early, on time. Arrive on time. The person is just wishing you to arrive on time where you are going or where you are coming from. Go well. Ka labo. Labo is more of a olunde, as in starlet. Next is gano. Gano, go well. Gano, go well. When you are going and somebody is saying gano, gano nkoma mobo. Gano, you can simply say gano mobo, gano nkoma. Okay. Next one is ijeoma. 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 Ije simply means to walk, and Oma is fine. So the person is just wishing you safe trip, safe journey. It's another way to say bye when you are going and the person is saying go well, safe journey. Ijeoma. Okay. Anyị ga-ahụ. Anyị ga-ahụ. When you finish staying with someone and you are going, the person will simply say anyị ga-ahụ. We will see later. We will see later. Anyị ga-ahụ is another amazing way to say bye. You are parting where you say anyị ga-ahụ. He's wishing you to see you some other time. Then anyị ga-ahụ. Go well. We will see later. Okay. Ngwanu. 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 When you finish staying with someone and somebody just get up and say ngwanu, that means later. Later is another way to say bye. Ngwanu. The person can respond okay, mesia, or ngwano ka ọ dị, ngwano ka ọ dị, or ngwano ka emesia. But it's just another amazing way to say bye. Ngwano. Any of these can serve. So choose anyone that it is easier for you and well understandable, but knowing where to say it, maybe when we are with elderly people, and I'm still coming to that. When I came to another part where I may be having more of, as in, what will I say, as for pals, your friends, not when you're going with an elderly person, you can just say those ones. But ngwano, kaodi, or kemesia, you can say that to anyone. Okay. Kamu chowa ozona. Kam chowa ozona. That means let me just find my way. Let me find my way. I'm going now. Let me just find my way. It's another way to say bye. Kam chowa ozona. Kam chowa ozona. Let me look for my way. Let me start looking for my way. Okay. Alarm. 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 After saying someone just get up and say alarm. That means the person is just ready to go and is saying bye. Alarm. Okay. Next I have here is Kodi Kanya from. Kodi Kanya from, and I forgot. So this is more of, as in a funny way, as in between the pals, your friends. You cannot just come to an elderly person when you are leaving an elderly person. See, you come and say Kodi Kanya from. Kodi Kanya from. No. This is just between pals. When you are with your friends, you know, your mates. You understand? Kodi Kanya from. You just say, let it be like we did not see. Let it be like we did not see. Really, we saw, we stayed, we held, but let it just be like we did not see. So something like that. It's just between pals that normally use these ones. Okay, let's keep going. Obialije nwụna. Obialije nwụna. Obialije nwụna. So that means that, as in, let's say Obialije nwụna, like that the person that have come have to go. That the visitor have come and he have to go. So that's just Obialije, that somebody that have come have to go. So that's it. I don't even know if I got that translation very well, but what it means is that when you have finished staying with someone, still the same thing you are saying, and an amazing way to say bye. Obialije nwụna, you are ready to go, and you can tell the person, you just get up and say, Obialije nwụna. That means you are going and you are good to go. That the visitor is here and is ready to go. Have come and is ready to go. So this is more of pals also. This is one, as in, that you can use more with your friends, with your mates. Obialije nwụna, which means we are going. Okay. Kamulawa. Kamulawa. This is formal also. So you can use this with anybody. Kamulawa. You are finished staying and you want to go and say Kamulawa. Kamulawa, that means you are ready to go. Kamulawa. Okay. Kamulawa. Let me go, or let me start going. Let me start going. Kamulawa. Udo. Udo, this is just self-explanatory. Like when you are finished staying with someone and you say Udo. Udo, that means peace. You are just living peace with the person you are going out from, saying peace and Udo. Kambocha now, Udo, Kampani. So this is more of past with your friends. Udo, Kampani, Udo, Kambocha, Udo, Apuom, something like that. So it's just another funny way to say bye to your pals, to your friends, to your family, depending on the relationship between you and the person. Okay, not just an ordinary person. You can just simply come and say Udo, as in Udo simply means peace. You can say it to anyone, but it all depends on the tone and the way you are saying it. But this is more often used by pals, friends, as in mates. Udo, Udo, Kampani, Udo, Kambocha. You got that? So any of this you can say to someone when you are parting ways with the person. Okay. Deje. Deje maọbụ nda eje. Deje maọbụ nda eje. So it all depends. And deje, some people use this one as welcome, and some also use it as bye. So it all depends. But you can still say it's deje or nda eje. So it can say welcome or goodbye. So it serves as both. But some people don't use it often because they see it as deje, as welcome. So they don't normally use it as bye. But it's also another amazing way to say bye to your pals or your friends or family. Ka m gbapụ ya ọsọ. Ka m gbapụ ya ọsọ. Ka m gbapụ ya ọsọ. Let me just hurry, or let me just take a run. That means you are just ready to go and you want to hurry up and say ka m gbapụ ya ọsọ. Ka m gbapụ ya ọsọ. Okay? Ka m gbapụ ya ọsọ is another way to say bye. Ka m fuo. Ka m fuo. Let me disappear. Let me disappear from your presence. Let me disappear from this presence. Let me disappear from this arena. Let's go. Okay? So that's it. So, kambapu yourself, or kamfu, let me disappear. Just an amazing way to say. But this is also a funny way and more between pals and friends. Okay? Gaa n'udo maọbụ laa n'udo. Gaa n'udo maọbụ laa n'udo. It all depends on where you are using it, but most often we use this when we are saying bye to loved one who passed away. Gaa n'udo maọbụ laa n'udo. But it's also an amazing way to say bye. It can be bye forever. It can be bye for now, but it all depends on the place and instances you are using it and how you are using it. So gaa n'udo maọbụ laa n'udo is another amazing way to say bye to friends and family. Okay. Kachifo. Kachifo. Kachifo is also another way to say bye, good night. That simply means good night. When staying with someone or on a phone with someone and you finish talking and the person gaa n'udo, sorry, kachifo, that means you are just saying bye to the person. You are parting way already, and the person knows that you are as in ending it for that moment. That's just good night. But it's also another way to say, when you say that's good night, that person already know that you are saying bye for the day or bye, good night. So kachifo, and the response is ka obo. Kachifo, ka obo. Okay, so guys, I hope you learned at least one or two ways you can say bye in Igbo when you meet an Igbo friends, when you meet a family who is an Igbo. Just take any one of them. Don't be shy to say it. Guys, this is just an amazing way to learn. If you really want to learn, don't be shy to say it. When you meet an Igbo friends, when you meet someone you know is speaking Igbo, or you are with your Igbo family, always be proud to speak it so that you will speak better and it will become fluent. So that's just the secret for you to learn language and be fluent in it. Okay, so we're gonna end it here. Ndoma, I ain't got double ever. Ngwan, see you in my next video. Thanks for being part of today's class. Did you got anything? Let me know in the comment section. I would really love to know on the comment section if you really got anything, an amazing way, one or two, to say bye to a friend in Igbo language. Okay guys, see you in my next video. Don't forget to give thumbs up to the video, comment, share, tell a friend. That will tell a friend that something good is happening here. See you in my next video. Bye bye.